Have you noticed it too? Your cousin just moved to Toronto. Your best friend is packing for Berlin. Your neighbor's son just got his visa for Dubai. ये सिर्फ आपके सर्कल की बात नहीं है. It's a national phenomena. As we step into 2026, the numbers are staggering. India now has the world's largest diaspora with over 35 million of our people living across the globe. Every single year, roughly 2.5 million Indians pack their bags and head overseas. That's the highest annual migration rate on the entire planet. But behind these cold statistics are millions of human stories. Why is the Indian dream increasingly being found outside of India? Let's talk about it. बिफोर कमिंग टू द टॉपिक, मैं हूँ सुमो और मैं यूके में बेस्ट हूँ और मैं आपको अब्रॉड ले जाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. अगर आप भी इंटरेस्टेड हो ग्लोबल जाने के लिए, देन हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन. The biggest drive right now, students. In 2025, a record of 1.8 million Indian students were pursuing degrees abroad. पहले सिर्फ आईवी लीग और रिच फैमिलीज का सपना होता था कि अब्रॉड जाके पढ़े, पर 2026 तक मिडिल क्लास भी इस रेस में शामिल हो चुका है. अब बात सिर्फ डिग्री की नहीं है, बात है अब्रॉड सेटल होने की. With intense competition in India, families are now spending nearly 70 billion a year on foreign education. They aren't just buying an education, they are buying a pathway to permanent residency in places like Canada, USA, UAE, new hotspot like Germany and Ireland. The migration map is changing. While the USA remains the top dream with over 5.4 billion Indians, and the UAE is the heartbeat of our working professional community. New players have entered the chart. Germany has seen a massive surge, doubling its Indian student population in just a few years. Why? Because they need our talent. From engineer to healthcare, countries with aging population are practically rolling out to the red carpet with specialized visas like a EU Blue Card. Even France has set a goal of 30,000 Indians by 2030. So what's pushing us out is complicated. For some, it's lack of high-paying jobs or depth of a family expectation. For others, it's a search for a better quality of life, cleaner air, better healthcare, and work-life balance that feels impossible in our bustling cities. लेकिन वहाँ सब कुछ आसान नहीं है. 2024-25 में हमने देखा कि रिकॉर्ड नंबर्स इंडियन ने यूके छोड़ दिया. क्यों? एक साल में लगभग 74,000 लोग वापस चले गए ड्यू टू वीजा रूल्स बीइंग स्ट्रिक्टर. दूसरी तरफ डंकी रूट्स और इलीगल माइग्रेशन भी अपने पीक पर है, showing just how desperate some are to find a way out, often risking everything. कभी-कभी अपनी जान तक रिस्क में डाल देते हैं. Is this a brain drain or a global game? Our diaspora sent back a record of 135 billion remittances last year. We are leading Fortune 500 companies and shaping global policy. But as more of our brightest minds look forward the horizon, we have to ask, what will it take to make them stay? Whether you are planning your move or watching your loved ones live, one thing is certain, the Indian spirit is now truly global. What about you? Are you staying or packing? If you are in the group of packing people in 2026, whether you want to travel, study, work abroad and planning something soon, this channel is for you. चाहे आपको अब्रॉड अपॉर्चुनिटी चाहिए, स्कॉलरशिप की जानकारी हो या किसी स्पेसिफिक कंट्री में जॉब मार्केट कैसा है, हम यहाँ सब कुछ कवर करते हैं. I will be posting all the relevant information about the new opportunities and visa rules directly on this channel. तो अभी के अभी सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन पर क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आपका बाहर जाने का सपना सिर्फ सपना रह जाए. Join our community and let's make it happen together. I'll see you in the next video with other abroad opportunity insight.